Welcome to Agent Scoop, the ultimate resource for real estate agents looking to excel in their careers. Here at Agent Scoop, we have over 30 years of industry experience, and we're passionate about sharing valuable insights and actionable advice to help you succeed in today's competitive market. On this channel, we dive deep into advanced tips, tools, and strategies that will elevate your real estate game. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, Agent Scoop is your go-to destination for mastering the art of real estate. From prospecting and lead generation to mastering listing presentations and effective marketing strategies, we've got you covered. Our goal is to help you not only succeed in business, but also enjoy life as a high-status agent. So if you're ready to take your real estate career to the next level, hit that subscribe button and join us on this exciting journey. Here's to your success.